So in this video, I'm going to show you how to handle working from a Chromebook. I'm on a Windows machine, but it should be pretty much the same procedure. So I'm in something, breakout. I'm going to go to the images area. I'm then going to go to blocks, and I'm going to go and add a new block. So I'm going to start off by opening one of the previous blocks because it has the right dimension and everything. And I'm going to copy this URL. I could also download this file using the download button, and that will open it here. But I will copy the URL. I can then right-click, save image as. I'm not sure how that works on Chromebook, so we're going to work with the URL. I'm switching from Pixlr to Photopea. I found it to be a lot more like Paint.net. I had a lot of trouble getting Pixlr to do certain things. So I'm going to take and start a new project called Block. And I'm going to go to Create. And I'm going to do File, Place from URL, Paste, and put in my current project. So that's going to open this file. Now I can hit Control +++ to bring this bigger. I can now go to my tools, and under I have selection tools, I have multiple pen tools, I have painting tools, pencil, paintbrush, whatever. Pencil tool, I can always bring the pixel size down to 1 pixel, and that would let me do pixel by pixel drawings. My color selection's here. I'm going to pick something in the teal range. I'm going to pick like a dark teal initially, and I could do paint one over time or drag my mouse. Another option is this also does have flood fill. Object selection. Nope. Magic wand. I'm going to select that. And now I should be able, under magic wand, I should be able to right click. Do image. Bear with me for 1 second, because again, this is a very powerful tool, but nope, not blur, gradient, erase, color replacement. Nope, that's not one. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Thankfully, the undo works perfectly fine. Oh, there. Nope. There we go, Paint Bucket tool. And I can fill that really quickly. So Paint Bucket is hiding under the gradient tool. So I'm going to select a new color. I'm going to back to my color picker, and I'm going to pick a light color, hit OK. I can use our magic wand, so I can use the Paint Bucket. And I'm going to hit Escape. Control Z. I'm going to remove my selection. I'm going to select all. And I can now take and Paint Bucket in and fill it. I can now save this file, save as, export as PNG, and hit save. And it should download into my downloads folder, which I believe is accessible on your thing. I'm going to rename it to be teal. I'm now going to go over to the game in GitHub. I'm going to hit back a step. And on GitHub, move back to the blocks folder. There's an option for create new file. And I'm going to go and nope, cancel. I'm going to leave this page. And I'm going to go to upload files. Sorry. I'm going to take and choose files from here or drag it over from here. And I'm going to put in my commit changes. It'd be teal .png new teal block. It changes. I could also replace images that already exist. So if I go back to my photo editor and maybe I'm going to change the teal, it's sort of bluish for me. I'm going to go here and move it more, maybe a little more green. Hit OK. I'm going to bucket fill. I'm going to save this. Export PNG. Before that, I'm going to rename this file image. Okay, I don't know how to rename it. I'm going to export it. PNG, save. I'm going to go back and rename, delete this one. Oh, Control Z. Delete teal that one and rename this teal. And I'm going to go back to Smart Git. And I can go to my blocks. I can go to my blocks folder. And I can go the upload file. Choose file. Teal.png. Teal.png. New teal block. And I don't think I hit the commit button last time. Commit change. Now if I go to images, blocks, and there's now the teal block. I really should rename this. I'm going to go take and delete this file because I don't like that one. And I can say the default is delete TLFGA, removed unneeded block. I could also replace the image by re-uploading the same file name and it would clobber it. And I'd be able to put the message. So now, if I go to some breakout, delete TLPNG as the last commit message. And whenever they pull, they'll see those messages directly in. I can also directly edit files. So if I want to go to breakout.py, I could click on something breakout directly and go to breakout.py, click on the link. I could take and hit the add write button, and I could go and Spooner demo. And I can say update added comment spoons was here. If it changes, again, I can go back to edit. I can highlight my bad detection, and I can say clean up comment. You don't have to add anything else. It changes, and now we're back up in bed. You can also navigate the code by clicking on any of the pieces, and that'll bring you right to the file. So GitHub is really powerful for navigating. So I hope that answered any questions. If there's further questions, please let me know, and I'll make more videos to update.